Alright, I'm recording. I am recording.
Oh good, you're gonna record the grunt when I get on the bike. Awesome.
Connected.
What the hell are you kicking? Are you kicking my seat every time?
I am, because I can't lift my legs that high.
Well, you have to lift them higher because you don't want. I don't want you kicking my seat.
Well, no, it's because these boots are so freaking clunky.
No, they're not. The owner's clunky.
I'd love to be in, like, know what a fish is thinking during a catch and release. Like, can you imagine just swimming along doing fish things and they have, like, a near-death experience? I want to be so rich I have a gate across my driveway. And then I can pick up with my friends. Be like, yeah, come on over. Oh, no, I don't want to let you in. Go home now.
It's the only bad thing about bike season.
What?
Having to wave back.
Having to wave? You only wave if they wave first, right?
You got it.
I'm waving. You're not waving back.
Stop it. Summer's here, everybody. Check it out. No ice. I will take no ice on that lake anytime because it means I'm riding this. Snowmobile's nice, don't get me wrong, but I'd rather ride my motorcycle than friggin' ride a sled. How about you?
I don't know, I had a lot of fun on the sled. I don't get nervous on the sled.
That's true.
I give it time. Ask me in 5 years.
Oh, God. I love that Porsche. Telling you, man, the day I can't ride a bike anymore, getting a Porsche 911.
Okay.
It's going to be hard to get up and down to the damn thing with my knees, but screw it. It'll be my summer vehicle.
It'll be like Marty. You'll drive it for like a month and then you'll be like, fuck it, I'm getting a Tucson.
Yeah. The thing with the Porsches is they're made for tall people.
Yeah,
like,
they're
as
big,
in, while you're
lots of
inside it, they're made for tall people, but
yeah, it's
getting in and out,
Stick around, I'll show you my gap.
worm chub. My worm's got chub. I got a worm chub.
That means you have a tiny penis.
Look at that house, though, eh?
Ugh.
Friggin' insane.
Who needs that much house?
I do.
No, you don't.
You know, if I had the money, I probably would do it.
I wouldn't want a house that big, because I'd have to come up with anything things.
Yeah, but you'd have more room for your shit.
Although if I can afford a house that big, I can afford to have somebody come in once a week and clean it for me.
Don't kick my seat. Ugh. I should have said don't kick anything.
You kick my dog.
Yay, he didn't wave. See, I kind of like Harley riders now.
Because they're assholes?
No, because they don't like to wave at Japanese bikes. I love it. It's like you see a Harley coming, I'm like, oh wait, he's a Harley. He doesn't think I'm good enough to ride. Yes, he's not going to want to wave at me. And he didn't, and I'm okay with that. Can I get a fourth bike?
I don't care.
See, okay, now everybody, did you hear that? I don't care. Is that not like the perfect woman?
I'm not paying for it. I don't give a shit.
See that? Yeah, you
Because
a lot
I
of
know
guys.
that if I was to come home and say, I want another bike, you'd be like, okay.
Oh, I still kick things. You suck.
I didn't kick anything.
You kicked the back
I
box
did
or
not.
something.
I'll kick you.
Hey, you gotta grab my ass.
Hello. Ugh.
Don't kick everything.
I didn't.
You kicked everything.
I didn't kick shit.
I felt it.
Oh my god.
When I die, I want one of these.
A headstone? A headstone that says, here lies an atheist, all dressed up and nowhere to go?
Yes.
Oh, can we stop somewhere? I need smoke. Alright, can I get a 20-pack of LD King for this red?
You're looking at his dick. Stop looking at his dick. His dick. It's big. It's really, really big.
Talking about your I can't hear you.
Shut your whore mouth.
Shut your whore mouth.
Eh.
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 Use your words.